Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this tweet may contain sensitive content on X. So first up, what you need to do is to open your browser and make sure to use the browser or web version of Twitter or X, as that's what we're going to need to disable this feature. Now, once you've done that, just make sure you're logged in to your account on your browser or mobile device's browser. And then what you're going to do is just tap on your profile at the top left, and then select settings and privacy, and then from here select privacy and safety. Now in here, just look for content you see, and then make sure to disable or have this enabled, this option that says display media that may contain sensitive content. So this will allow you to see media that has sensitive content, and you're also gonna select search settings and then make sure to disable hide sensitive content. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.